So what we did is we popped out this can light here, ran the glow rods from the back of the room to this can light, from the front of the room to this can light, strung them both, tied the two strings together, and then pulled it across. So I thought I'd take a minute and show you guys how to pop out a can light. First, you should turn off the lights, but if I turn off the lights, you're not going to be able to see me, which some of you guys might appreciate. So, anyways, just pull the light. You usually have some kind of baffle whenever you pull the baffle out. Don't be shocked if your lights don't look exactly like this. Okay? Pull the light out here, and untwist it. If you don't turn off the light switch and I stick my finger, I could, like, that's hot right there, okay? Paris Hilton called and she said that's hot. Now I'm going to show you guys how to take this out. So if you look up inside the can, there's screws here on the side. So I'm talking about that screw right there. And there's 3 of them. I've already popped out 2. There's one there. And the last one is over here. We already popped that out too. So all you do is can you hold that right there please, Joe? That looks really good. Just try to stay steady as much as you can. You just take out that screw right there. And you actually don't want to pull the can out. It's probably easier to push the can up into the ceiling, and then you have access to that space. Okay?